Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing this cute pink butterfly squishmallow. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the shape of the body. Let's start with a curve at the top. And then let's curve it down and in on both sides. And then close it off with a curve at the bottom. Now that we have the shape of the body, let's move in and let's draw the face. Let's start with 2 circles for the eyes. And then let's color both of them in black. Now in the top corners, let's draw a curve up and back down for the eyelashes. And then one more underneath. And now let's hop in between and let's draw a curve for the mouth. And that's it for the face. Now let's move down and let's draw the patch on the belly. Let's start on the bottom left of the body and let's draw a curve up and bring it down on the right side. And now let's draw 3 curves across inside. And that's it for the patch on the belly. Now let's move to the top and let's draw the antenna. On the top left of the head, let's draw 2 curves going up. And the same on the right side. And then let's add a circle on top of each side. And next let's hop down and let's draw the wings. On both sides, let's draw a large curve out and back in. And then a smaller curve underneath. Next, inside each of the wings, let's draw 2 curves in the same way. Now in the other section, let's draw some circles. And that's it for this butterfly squishmallow. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!